How to use extract filters in Tableau. Let's navigate to a sheet. We'll navigate to this line chart and double click on the data source. It's already set to be an extract, but I'm going to click the edit button up here and add filters. You must be on logical tables to add filters. I can add a filter here. Let's say for region, okay, and only keep Central and East. You can add other filters like dates and values, but they're self-explanatory. You can also keep the top number of rows or a sample of a top percentage. Let's keep it on all, click OK, and run the extract. What Tableau is going to do is extract the data with only those two regions. When I'm on a new sheet, I can put the region field onto rows, and I have only Central and East. The other two don't exist in my data. This is a great way to pare down your data for development or for performance. Hope this helps.